Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today, I will talk about the removal of conditions or ROC. We created a video before about removal of conditions. I will link it in the description box. Today, I will give some sort of an overview of the ROC. Removal of conditions or ROC is the application you need to prepare for after you receive your 2-year green card. The 2-year green card is a conditional green card. The 2-year green card is given to K-1 or spouse petition beneficiaries where the petitioner is a U.S. citizen and that the petitioner and beneficiary have been married for less than 2 years. The beneficiary is given a conditional permanent resident card because you will need to prove that your marriage and relationship is genuine and not just for immigration benefits or the green card. So for ROC, you need to show proofs of that. It's also important to show that your finances are commingled, that you have joint bank accounts, filing taxes jointly, or have shared properties. The proof of genuine marriage is very important for ROC. If you do not submit enough evidence, it's very possible that you will receive RFE or request for evidence. We at Visa Harmony can assist you with your ROC application and certain petition or immigration applications. We can guide you in what evidence you need to provide for your ROC application. Please note that all proof documents will need to come from you. We only guide on what else you can add to strengthen your ROC application. We will review your evidence documents and we can provide suggestions like, do you have health insurance, auto insurance, bills, or other documents? Just a note, we do not make up proof documents. We cannot help you with that. You were given 2 years to prepare for ROC. That's more than enough time. So when the time comes that you need to file for ROC, the expectation is that you are ready to file. If you are planning to avail of our services for ROC, please give us enough time. Send us a message about 4 or 5 months before your 2-year green card expires. ROC application is very time sensitive and we have a lot of clients as well. We need to review all your proof documents and that takes time. We have a complete guide on our website, visaharmony.com, if you want to file ROC on your own. What is the form for ROC? For ROC, you need to complete and sign Form I-751. I have seen a lot of people who filed the wrong form for ROC. I have mentioned this before. I highly suggest to read the form instructions to make sure you are filling out the correct form. USCIS filing fees are very expensive, so you need to make sure you are submitting the correct form to USCIS. How much is the filing fee for the ROC? Currently, the filing fee is $680. As mentioned earlier, you have 2 years to prepare for it, so make sure you save up for the filing fee. When do you need to file for ROC? If you are still married to your U.S. citizen spouse petitioner at the time of applying for ROC, you can apply for ROC within 90 days before the expiration date of your 2-year green card. What this means is, let's say for example, your 2-year green card expires on December 31st, 2022. If you count 90 days back, the date will be on October 2, 2022. So the earliest you can file for ROC is on October 2, 2022. You cannot file earlier than that because USCIS will just return your application. You can file ROC between October 2, 2022 and December 31, 2022. Just make sure that the USCIS receives your application before your 2-year green card expires. If unfortunately for some reason you are no longer married to your U.S. citizen spouse petitioner before your 2-year green card expires, either by divorce or your U.S. citizen spouse petitioner passed away. For this case, you do not need to wait for the 90-day window. You can file ROC anytime, just make sure the USCIS receives your ROC application before your 2-year green card expires. For this case, you need the termination of marriage document like divorce decree or death certificate together with the proof documents of genuine marriage and relationship. That's it for today. For next week's video, I will give you 10 tips on how to successfully file ROC. If you have any questions on ROC, please leave them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.